Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chem Insider. So today in this class we are going to solve some problems regarding to the formula which we have discussed in the previous class, and that is the formula of calculating density of a given unit cell if we know the certain terms such as molar mass or atomic mass of a given molecular atom, and then the crystal which is forming like FCC, BCC or simple cube, and then we need to know about the volume of the unit cell. If we just know the edge length, we can calculate the volume of it, and then the Avogadro number of atoms present. So we know the formula which I have written over here, that is density D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na, where Z is the number of atoms present in the given unit cell. M, if you are considering for a molecule, that will be the molar mass. If you are considering an atom, that will be an atomic mass. A cube, that is nothing but the volume of the cube, where A is the edge length of the unit cell, and Na is called the Avogadro number of molecules. So for the first problem, the problem says there is an element forming an element with atomic mass of 27 grams per mole. So there is an element with atomic mass of 27 grams per mole which is found to form FCC lattice. Okay, it is forming an FCC lattice while it is crystallizing with an edge length of 4 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, now we need to calculate the density of the given unit cell. So the unit cell which is formed by this element, we need to calculate its density, given Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So before starting to explain or solve this problem, I suggest you to watch my video of about units conversions and some basic laws of algebra and logarithms before watching this solving this problem. I will put up a suggestion over here, and if you want, I will put the link of the video on the description also. So for solving that, for particular this problem, first we will write down the given data, what all we have from the question given above. So the first point what we get is the atomic mass of the element, that is M is equal to 27 grams per mole. So atomic mass is given as 27 grams per mole, and for the lattice FCC, Z is equal to 4, because we know that FCC lattice has 4 atoms present in it. Next, for the edge length, A is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to calculate the volume of the cube. Therefore, A cube is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8 the whole cube. That gives us 64 into 10 to the power minus 24 cm cube. Okay, so the last term, Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. So remember, it would be easier if you write down this data which we have collected from the question given. So if you know the complete data, then it would be easier for you to solve the problem. Now we'll just write down the formula. The formula says D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. So now we'll substitute the values. D is equal to 4 into 27 whole divided by 64 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, on solving all these terms, what we get is 2.5 gram per cm cube. So if you have any doubt regarding this units conversion or unit forming, you don't need to worry. You can just write down all the units which you have got from this given formula on the right hand side. So we don't have any units for the number of atoms. We have a unit for atomic mass, that is gram divided gram per mole. So that can be written as gram per mole. And then we have a unit for volume, that is cm cube, and a unit for 6.0 number of atoms is per mole. So this per mole get cancelled. So left will be gram. The cm cube which is in the denominator, once comes to the numerator, that will be cm cube to the power minus 1. So that is per cm cube. So now density of the unit cell formed by the element with atomic mass 27 gram per mole has been found to be 2.5 gram per cm cube. So this is about our first problem. it is rather a direct one. You just need to know the data from the question and just need to substitute those values in order to calculate those values. Okay. And now we'll next see to the second problem. Now the second problem. Second problem says silver crystallizes in FCC lattice if the edge length of the cell is found to be 4.07 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter and density is found to be 10.5 into 10.5 grams per cm cube. We need to calculate the atomic mass of silver. Okay, so what we have to calculate, we need to calculate the atomic mass of silver. So as usual, let us write down the given data. So in an FCC, what we know is Z will be equal to 4, right? So A is given as 4.07 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. For this volume A cube will be equal to 67.49 into 10 power minus 24 centimeter cube. Okay. Next, Avogadro number Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. And then what we need to write down the density. Density D is equal to 10.5 grams per cm cube. So this is all the data. Now we need to substitute those values for our formula. So for that, D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Since we need to find out M, we'll put M in one side and rest of the other stuff on the other side. Therefore M is equal to D into A cube multiplied by Na whole divided by Z. So on substituting those values, we get D is 10.5 into A cube is 67.49 into 10 to the power minus 24 multiplied by 6.023 into 10 power 23. This whole thing divided by Z, that is 4. So on calculating all these values on simplification, we get atomic mass of the silver is found to be 106.6 grams per mole. 106.6 grams per mole. So this is what we have found from the atomic mass of silver. So this is Z, that is equals to 4, A 4.07 into 10 power minus 8 per centimeter, and A cube will be equal to 67.49 into 10 power minus 24 cm cube, and Avogadro number will be 6.023 into 10 power 23 per mole. Density given as 10.5 grams per cm cube. On substituting all these values in this formula, we get M is equal to 106.6 grams per mole. Okay, so this is about our second type of formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm just need to help you calculate some problems on each of the particular term of one problem. You need to solve many problems in order to get complete knowledge about these problems, how are they going to arise in your question papers of end exams. So now we have just solved a question regarding density and one regarding the mass. So now we are going to discuss about a problem regarding calculating Z values, or how a molecule is forming, a nature of a unit cell, which is the atoms or molecules forming. Okay. The next problem is iron on crystallization forms a unit cell of edge length 286.65 picometers. Density of iron is found to be 7.87 grams per cm cube. Then find the nature of the unit cell. Okay. In some cases, if you observe this question, they are just telling that it is forming a unit cell, but they are not explaining what type of unit cell. So they are asking us to find out what type of unit cell is formed when iron is crystallized. Okay. So now if you observe over here, they haven't given the atomic mass. So they might give the atomic mass under the normal constants part, or just you need to know certain questions. For example, for iron, we know the atomic mass. Atomic mass of iron will be 56 grams per mole, right? And we also know the Avogadro number of atoms, 6.023 into 10 power 23. So now write down the data given. So the given data says A is equal to 286.65 picometers. So instead of writing this picometers, I'll just write it down as 10 to the power minus 12 meter. That is 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meters. On cubing this, on A cubing this, we get the value 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 29. So what you have to do is, just you need to simplify this, put this point on, pushing on the left side, you get 10 power minus 10. Okay, on shifting this decimal to the 2 points on your left, we get 10 power minus 10, that is 2.86 into 10 power minus 10. Now just multiply 2.86 3 times, 2.86 into 2.86 into 2.86, that gives us some value of 235, something like that. Okay, on do it 23 point something like that, we will get that value. And once you do that, we have 10 power minus 10. The whole cube of 10 power minus 10 will be 10 power minus 30. On shifting those values, we get A cube as 2.35 into 10 power minus 29 meter cube. Okay, if you have observed over here, I am taking here meter cube. If you want to have this as a cm cube, because they are given here as in cm cubes, you can just convert this picometer as 10 power minus 10 centimeters. Okay, 10 power minus 10 centimeters. So then this changes as, if you are reducing by 10 power minus 2 in the centimeter column, for the cube you have to reduce 10 power minus 6. So therefore this becomes 10 power minus 23. For that conversion, this conversion of exponential, so that's why I asked you to watch the video of units and conversions of meters to centimeters, picometers, etc. So once you watch that video, you'll understand how I am converting this 10 power minus 10 to 10 power minus 23. Okay, so this is a value of 2.35 into 10 power minus 23 cm cube. Okay, next the other for density, given density as 7.87 grams per cm cube. So the reason why I changed this meters into centimeter is because we have given the density value in centimeter. Okay, so we need to keep all the units in a similar type. If they have given centimeter, you need to maintain the centimeter throughout the problem for different values. Next, for atomic mass, m is equal to 56 grams per mole, and we know the Avogadro number Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 grams per mole. So now what we have to calculate is, we need to determine the value for Z. So I am directly writing the formula for Z, that is Z is equal to D into A cube into Na. Okay, D into A cube into Na. On simplifying that value, so what we are going to get is, so D, substitute the value 7.87 into A cube 2.35 into 10 power minus 23 multiplied by 6.023 into 10 power 23 whole divided by 56. So 10 power minus 23 and 10 power 23 get cancelled. Okay, so left over is 111.39 divided by 56. So on dividing this, we get value of 1.98, which is almost equal to 2. That is, the value of Z for the crystallization of iron in a unit cell is 2. That means iron is forming an BCC lattice. So iron is forming a BCC lattice. So now we need to write down the conclusion, that is, nature of unit cell formed when iron crystallizes is BCC. So this is our answer. So if you, once again I am going to explain this. So that is A, edge length given as 286.65 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. That is, if we write it on picometers, it will be 10 power minus 12 picometers. This will be 10 power minus 12 picometer, which can also be written as 10 power minus 10 centimeters. Okay, so next 2.35 into 10 power minus 23 centimeter cube. Density 7.87 grams per cm cube. Atomic mass of iron 56 grams per mole. Avogadro number of atoms 6.023 into 10 power 23 grams per mole. And substituting those values, we get Z, which is almost equal to, that is 1.98, is approximately equal to 2. Therefore, we can conclude that the nature of the unit cell formed by the crystallization of iron is BCC, that is iron forms a BCC crystal lattice when crystallized. Okay, so this is about the problem regarding how to calculate the number of atoms present in a unit cell, or how to determine the nature of a unit cell which is formed when crystallizing some molecules or elements. Okay.